Where sanitation is vital, traditional methods of cleaning and sanitizing these workplaces and environments was not as effective as it could be. That's why we started Victory Innovations, to create a new method of chemical application. We started by developing the first professional cordless handheld electrostatic sprayer, which revolutionized the way large-scale sanitation jobs were handled. Our handheld design allows for hours of spraying time without the inconvenience of dragging a cord. We designed it to cover more surfaces, to spray less liquid, and to save time and labor, which means our sprayer will save you money while outperforming traditional means of sanitizing. After the success of our handheld sprayer, we realized the next step would be to develop a solution for any size job that would be fast without sacrificing performance. Leveraging our patented and proven technology, we developed the Victory Innovations Backpack Electrostatic Sprayer. On a single tank of fluid, a professional can cover up to 8,000 square feet with our cordless backpack model. At Victory Innovations, regardless of the size of the job, we have your sanitation solution.